Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. As you can see, currently we've got 2 different languages added. So let me first of all show you how to add new language. So just tap on add a language, obviously, and here we've been transferred to the list of all available languages from which we can choose. And basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me pick German. And here we can pick the region. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so let me tap on this one, for example. And as you can see, the German language has been immediately added to this list, but the English one is still the default one, the main one. So in order to set the German, the new language, you have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position and release the finger. And as you can see, right after the German, in my case, appeared on the very first position, the whole language, the whole menu has been changed. So right now it is displayed in the chosen language. And let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, the English has been applied. Of course, if you want, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the languages you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.